how to use color picker column in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use the color picker column here on monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com, and once when you do, you can see there are some boards that I'm working on, and on the left hand side you can see some more boards right here. So let's just open this board, and for example, let's delete some columns right here that are unnecessary. So for example, these are the items that are distinguished because of their colors, and we need to be specific, with the colors. For example, this is a dress production, and we can take the items as dresses, and we have to be very accurate on the color. So what do we need to do? We need to click here on add column, go here on more column, and then write color picker, which is right here. So we can just add it to board, and now we have the color picker right here, and we can click here and then select a color according to our wants. For example, I want this dress to be red, or the company wants this dress to be red and this to be blue and this dress to be yellow and this dress to be purple and this dress to be green. So that's how you do it. That's how you do the other ones. So color picker is very important if your product is I would say very strict towards the color, or you can also denote a specific task with colors as well. That's completely up to you, but mostly it's used for products that are based on colors. It can be a food production as well, like you can denote red with spicy, green with another flavor, yellow with another flavor, so vice versa. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.